Hello everyone. Today we will see how to generate cumulative sheets automatically by using our Edunex ID and password. As we all know, our PTM is about to conduct, so that you have to generate cumulative sheets of your respective classes. For that, first of all, you have to log in Edunext by using your ID and password, and you have to select e-learning option. In e-learning, you have to ensure that all the marks will be copied in exam sections. For ensuring, you have to select quiz. In quiz section, suppose you have to check whether the marks will be copied in exam or not. For example, we will take class 6 subject English and apply filter. Right, this is periodic test first, and this is the marks by you can see the marks of all the students like this, right? So basically in upper section you can see there are two options, first one check all and second one copy marks to exam. First step you have to do check all, right? When we are clicking check all, and after that copy marks to exam, right? Successfully copied quiz marks to the exam, right? This marks will copied in exam section. Now you can generate cumulative sheets of your respective classes. Again you have to go in teacher dashboard, select teacher dashboard. In teacher dashboard you have to go in report section, right? Select report, then select term report, right? Apply filter. For example, we want to generate cumulative sheet for class 9th A. So select class 9th, section A, term. Today we will discuss about periodic test first, right? You can select either periodic test first, periodic test 2. We have completed periodic test first, so select PT1 and apply filter. After that, select report. There are various options you can see. You have to select rapid consolidated report with rank, right? You have to remember this. You have to select only rapid consolidated report with rank. After that, this file will be downloaded, and after that you can open. You have to open in Excel sheet, right? This sheet will be downloaded. You can see all the students, you can see all the students admission number, class, section. This is the subject mass: English, first one English, second Hindi, third mathematics, fourth science, and next one social science, next one computer science, right? This is total marks and overall class rank. You can see the performance of each and every students as a subject wise, and you can see as a whole, right? If we want to generate this file as a PDF, though, so you have to select share and export, right? In this way, send a copy. Then there are various options you can generate. You can also generate in a PDF document, right? So select PDF and select OK. After that, this file will be converted into PDF, and you can share either WhatsApp or any other group, right? So this is very simple method by each and every teacher can generate cumulative sheets of your respective classes, uh, which exam has been finished. Okay, I hope you have you will be understand this video, and if you have any query, then you can send a message in text box. Thank you all of you.